Hey guys, in this video I'll be changing this LCD screen in this 2012 Audi A4. So it's been quite some time now, probably about a month since the screen stopped working. There was always some damage over here, and then eventually it just gave up and stopped working. So what I've done is I've ordered a screen from AliExpress. I got it for about $30, right? And as you can see here, it looks like it is the original part. So definitely a great buy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this panel out. So to do that, basically, I pull out from here. You could also use a panel remover to help make this a lot easier. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna pull like this. Don't apply too much pressure. Right, there you go. It's out almost. There you go. So the screen is held together by these 4 screws. So they look like T15s. Taking this out. Alright, to take out the old screen, you have this connector. To remove that connector, you have to press this tab in and then pull up. Alright, so that should release the screen from the connector. Okay. We'll go ahead and install the new screen. Okay, this is the screen that I got from AliExpress. Okay, so make sure you position this correctly. The connector side should go down, and then we will plug this connector in and push it. Make sure it clicks. Okay, and then once that's done, we will set this aside. Okay, and then now for the moment of truth to see if it actually works. There you go. Test if everything is working. Yeah, everything seems to be working. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn off the car. Alright, let's go ahead and start putting the screws back in. While you do this, actually, a magnetic screwdriver will really help, because you don't want these screws falling in. This particular sorry, I'm coming before. Okay, so back. So put the top in first, right? Once the top goes in, the bottom will easily set, and then just push it back into place. There you go. New screen's installed. Alright, job's done. Let's start the car to see if it's still working. Everything is good, so job's done. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to Rohan's Fixes and Builds.